Hey Robotics, it's week 5, and let me tell you what we're doing this week, okay? So the essential question for this week is how do I begin to get my virtual bot moving like a real bot, okay? And I want to show you a little bit what I've been playing around with there. So I got Fusion 360, and I went to assemble after I've got my wheels on my bot, and I did this thing called a motion study on here. I don't want to click this right now in case it tries to navigate away. But as you can see, I've set up for one of the joints, specifically this axle through the bearing flat. When I click play here, you'll see it's doing this little motion study. Okay, and so I'm trying to figure out how am I going to get all the wheels moving with the gears, including these driver gears, so that it looks like the bot is driving around, okay? So that's kind of where we're headed, okay? Let me pause this and go back to Chrome. As far as things for this week, well, let's look at where we are in the grand scheme of things here, okay? So we've only got 4 weeks left, okay? You'll notice I've changed the order of things to do because as I was creating the videos, I realized, you know what, we actually did the drivetrain stuff first, and then I guess we'll be moving towards the lift manipulator. So I will create some assignments for these with due dates. The due dates I'm going to try to make kind of reflective of this change. You'll even see that, probably you've seen that before watching this video if you've been paying attention on Google Classroom, but yeah, so just keep that in mind. And I know a lot of these things kind of come together at the end, so I understand that too. But yeah, so look for those Google Classroom assignments to be reordered and with new due dates. Otherwise this week, after finishing your drivetrain, yeah, assembling the lift manipulator and practicing animating the bot, I've got a couple CCQs for you, and then I'm going to let you loose. So as far as the CCQs, here's the answers to the week 4 ones. Okay, you can pause and check those out, or look in the comments on this video. Okay, but this week's CCQs, in your opinion, what has been the most difficult part to model on Fusion 360 thus far? All right, and 2, can a person put their virtual bot together in a different order than what I show, or does it have to be exactly the same order? Defend your answer. All right. That's kind of all I've got for you this week. Be looking out for my videos. They're going to show you, how to, get your bot together. I've got like a video on the subassembly for the wheel. This is a driver gear subassembly, and then how to, insert these into your current design, and then get all these things kind of moving. Like for example, just going animate model and watching it go. Okay, so that's it. Hit me with questions on our WebEx, 9 to 10 a.m. every day. That, of course, is right here. This address, you can pause it to grab that, or email me. Looking forward to what you guys are creating. Make sure you're saving it in the right place, which is our Fusion 360, what is it, at Shawnee Mission North, okay? And it should go into the robotics folder on there, which would be right here, okay? Not POE, robotics. All right, peace, y'all.